Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Toyota Sienna SE. You can see here with either one of the key fobs, I can operate the power trunk hatch, both power sliding doors, and I've got the ramp extends out here. It's even got the Neil system on it. I can see the back end lowering. That lowers the angle of the 30-inch wide ramp there. Got about 56 inches, 56 and a half coming inside the van, then about 61 once you're inside the van. Got our 800-pound weight capacity. It's still even lowering right now, getting real low to the ground. So if you're by yourself, you can come in, open up the van, roll on in, or if you're with your significant other or family member, it makes easy there as well. Got your back leather seats, got your upgraded Q-straight tie downs in here. What we got here is an easy lock. And what you can do in there, with the person that owned this before, they would remove the passenger seat, they'd roll in, snap their wheelchair in, transfer over and drive themselves around 100% independent. You've got that option to do so. That's a $2,000 upgrade right there. It's thrown in free with this van. You got your headliner, looks great. Got your rear air controls. Got your sunroof there. So on nice days you can open it up. Enjoy the beautiful weather. Dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control, rear air. Got your cup holders there. Got your heated seats for the winter months. You can also operate the power conversion right there as well. But a nice clean van. We actually picked this van up from an estate here in locally. Sorry I had a phone call, but you can also shut all the power doors from out here. Hold the buttons firmly on these Toyotas. It's not a push twice, it's hold firmly. You can shut all the doors here. It's got the rear trunk hatch back here. You got your spare tire underneath here, a little extra storage room. That's what I like about these side entries. They do have some extra storage room in them. So as I do a walk around the van, it's got your tinted windows. It's got your roof rack, got your alloy wheels. A little bit of flaking on these alloy wheels. Folks, it's a 9-year-old van, okay? It's not perfect. 99% of people would not tell you about that. They call that normal wear, which that's what it is, normal wear. But I'm showing it to you, so don't punish me for being honest, okay? 4 brand new tires on the van. The VMI North Star conversion on it. To do a walk around, it's very clean. Hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it's been very well taken care of. I'm always garaged. Very nice van. You hear me talk about all the time on our ads, save $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. How we do it is simple. We're right in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states, which obviously saves you money. I'm the owner of the company. I'm out here doing the general manager's job. I'm out here doing about 5 different jobs. But myself and 6 other full-time employees, we produce all these vans. We're very efficient. We cut waste, low overhead. We've only got 1 location. I want you to imagine our competition with 5, 10, 50, 100 locations. Imagine all their overhead. So it's simple math. That's how we save you $5,000 to $10,000 per van. And no matter who you buy from, get a video of the VIN number. What a lot of these people are doing, especially on Facebook Marketplace, they'll take my pictures, they'll cut out our sign up there, they'll post a van like this for $15,000, $1,000 deposit to hold it. Well, they're trying to scam you. They don't have this van. They don't have any of these vans. They're simply scammers. Say to them, hey, give me a video of the VIN number. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I've got this van here in my possession. They couldn't make this video because they don't have the van with them. That's why you get a video of the VIN number. So let's go check out the Carfax. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every one of our vehicles, we scroll down here, you can see this vehicle has got a no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, and does show it does have an damage reported. I'm going to scroll down and show that to you. It does show in May of 2022, so over 2 years ago, damage to the right rear and right side. It does show just over minor damage. So as Carfax shows, there's never been frame damage. Sorry for all the scrolling here. Like I said, no structural damage, airbags have never deployed. So I'm not afraid to buy a vehicle that's had a that never had airbags blown, may have had and never had frame damage, may have had a bumper painted or something like that. Not a big deal. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation and reviews. Look at us on eBay. 1,561 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Make sure they have a lot of reviews. Check out our 328 reviews, 4.8 out of 5 stars. I hear a lot of horror stories. of people buying from the general public, or they end up buying from the dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews here instead of the 4.8 like we have. They end up buying stolen vehicles. Yes, people are out there selling stolen vehicles. They end up buying a vehicle with a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues. The list goes on and on and on. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences, go ahead and do business with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. As I come back out to the van, yes, it's got the 2 keys, 2 fobs. It's got the keyless entry. It's also got the push-button start. I'll show you that here in just a minute. With the black leather seats, and I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And if you got this push button, whether the key is in your pocket or your purse, wherever it may be, you don't have to fish it out. Simply put your foot on the brake, push the start button, fires right up. You see all the dummy lights work and they all go off. No check engine lights on, no ABS, no airbag lights. 69,186 miles. There's that backup camera I talked to you about. Just beeping at me to let me know not to go anywhere because my door's open. See, the radio there works. Here's the radio. I had to turn it up a little bit. Got some Bob Seger for you. And I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show those to you moving right now. We've tested power locks, the heat, air, belts, hoses, cruise, suspension, steering, brakes. Taking these vans on a road test. It's got brand new tires, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot, and if nothing else, hope you can tell by my videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, got the 3.5 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten, like a well taken care of Toyota. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any rust from being up north from the Rust Belt, and no signs of any water damage from a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, they assume because it only has 69,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident. Folks, that's the most dangerous thing you can do. And I want to ask you, think about it. How many new car dealerships today are being flooded due to the spring, the rain? Because water doesn't discriminate, is my point. Brand new cars can have flood damage, so do not assume anything. I want you to go check out my competition. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you Carfax reports? Do you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage? That's just the muffler, the exhaust dripping some water there from not running, probably not being ran very often. Very, very common, nothing wrong there. Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage so you can see no signs of any flood or accident damage? Do they crawl up on the roof and get pictures and video of the roof? You know how many vehicles I see at auction that have either roof damage or hail damage, or they've got holes drilled in the top from being used as a taxi or something like that? Well, people don't check the roof. Well, you know who checks the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who checks the roof. So make sure you get that checked out. And when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. You tell me what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. Or what happens if you buy a vehicle that's got frame damage from an accident or a flood and it won't pass inspection in your state. In both of those cases, and in so many more, you bought a vehicle you can't drive. You can't title it, you can't drive it. So to risk not buying a 4,000-pound paperweight, make sure you do 4 things. Demand a detailed video just like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. This is a major purchase. You're not buying a pair of shoes off Amazon or a handbag. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Not some cheap imposter. Carfax costs me a lot of money every month, but I do it because they have the most thorough VIN inspection there is. I demand the best. You should too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't you be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. We stand behind our vehicles. Oh yeah, forgot to show you the moonroof also. Great feature to have. See it tilt, and then it'll come all the way back there. And I always look for watermarks around the moonroof to see if it's ever been leaking. Folks, this is a Toyota. They don't leak, but seals up perfectly there. So let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Sienna home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy. Pop it up to 70 miles an hour here in just a minute. There we go. 70 miles an hour, no problems, shifts very nice, strong engine. We got the cruise control set, cruise works good, runs and drives extremely nice down the highway. Do keep in mind we have a complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do sell long-term warranties that cover not only the van but also the conversion. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. It's always a good idea with these power ramps and doors to get some conversion coverage as well. They can be kind of costly to work on. A couple things I did notice when they were parking their chair, scraped up a little bit there, a little scrape right there. So again, normal wear, but if I see it, I want you to see it. That's exactly why I'm making these videos. And keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price on the internet. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees and by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money on you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can say is that transparency in any business is very important, but none more important than the used car business. So that's why I'm making this video, to be 100% transparent. If you heard that little kind of bang in the back, it was that seat coming down there where the footrest is, so that can fold up and down for shorter legs if you need it. So that's what you heard back there. If you ever like to give us a call or a text, 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. And texting is by far the best way to get a hold of us. That way anyone in my office can see the text. They can respond as soon as possibly can, but if you need to call us, you're welcome to do that as well. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Give us a text and I'll shoot you a call. We can set that up, explain how that works. And if you ever do want to come in to see our inventory, we welcome that. We'd love to spend some time with you, but we do ask you must make an appointment. We're extremely busy. We have 4 different locations. We need to find out what exactly you're looking for and get it all in one place for you. So please call us, text us, make that appointment to come in. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know this is a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as possible. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, all with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.